Cloud recipes refer to recipes stored in the cloud, which can be browsed and used on app, device screen, or applet, and other control terminals. How does Tuya Smart Cloud recipe capability improve the cooking experience of users? First, the massive online recipes of Cloud Recipes can help users expand their culinary experience and support filtering of recipes according to cooking time, food type, and difficulty. The Cloud Recipe page displays recipes by category, which is convenient for users to quickly select their favorite recipes. Cloud Recipe also provides detailed step-by-step cooking tutorials, which are suitable for devices such as food processors and stir-fryers that need to be configured with multiple cooking processes. Second, the remote control and appointment of the device can be easily realized through Cloud Recipes. After selecting any recipe of interest, the user can click the One Key Start button or remotely reserve a cooking task. Third, ingredient management and nutritional analysis can be achieved through Cloud Recipes to help users achieve health management. Cloud Recipe provides a basket function, which is convenient to record the daily cooking ingredients and weights, and easily manage the ingredients required by the family. The nutritional analysis capabilities of Cloud Recipes are integrated into the multinational ingredients database, which supports users to view the calories and nutrients of food intake. Fourth, Cloud Recipes have a variety of interactive functions, making cooking more interactive and interesting. By clicking My Recipe on the homepage of Cloud Recipes, users can view the cooking history and share content with one click. Users can also customize and upload DIY recipes on the app. For cooking products with Cloud Recipes, such as air fryer, slow cooker, Tuya has launched a Cloud Recipe content management backend for developers to use. Tuya does not provide recipe content directly, but provides a recipe management platform to help partners in recipe management. Tuya partners can filter high-quality recipes uploaded by users and share them to other users, making Cloud Recipes more interactive. After developer editing the basic information of the recipe, click Next to set up one-click cooking. When a recipe is associated with the product group, the corresponding recipe can be displayed on the product app. Banner advertising space, such as New Equipment, New Recipes, is added on the app side to help Tuya partners increase user stickiness. After activating the Cloud Recipe Management backend, partners can OEM products with unlimited Cloud Recipe functions and quickly help enterprises to realize the smart upgrade of kitchen appliances.